Hi guys, my name is Colin Harris from Colin's Creations, and today I am making my 2018 Valentine's Day cupcakes, which are also known as pink velvet cookie butter cupcakes. And the reason they're called that is because the cake portion of the cupcakes is the pink velvet center, and then the icing is consisted of cookie butter with a cream cheese base. So let's get started. So first, you need white cake mix. And you can use any brand, but I just want to let you know that each box varies. So keep in mind about that. But for mine, I'm gonna pour in the cake mix. And of course, the 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, and a half a cup of vegetable oil or olive oil. And then we're gonna mix it up, and I will get back to you when I am finished. So after we're done mixing, we're gonna go ahead and add the half a cup of chocolate into the mixture. And go ahead and stir it in. And I'll be back. So after we're pretty much, alright, after we're done mixing, we're going to go ahead and put in our food coloring. And as I said in the beginning, you can either use pink or you can use red food coloring for this recipe. So let's go ahead. And the purpose is to get this pink or red. So you can put in a limit of like 8 drops, or if it's not pink enough, then you can put in more. So please mix this up until it is pink enough for you. So now, since we're officially finished, we are going to finally transmit them into here and finally get them loaded in the oven. And before I do all that, make sure you put the oven on 350 or whatever your box says to put it on. So I'll be back once I get this all finished. So right after we fill our pans, and you see that beautiful color in there, right? We are going to lay them in the oven on 350 degrees for 19 to 23 minutes, or whatever your box says. So while the cupcakes are in the oven, now we are going to get started on our cookie butter cream cheese icing. So this is what we need. And this might sound familiar to you guys from other videos, but first you need like 3 packages of cream cheese, one stick of margarine or butter, which should be softened, 3 to 4 cups of confectioner's sugar, and of course my favorite, maybe 1/3 to a half a cup of cookie butter. So first of all, we're going to cream the cheese. So now that the cream cheese is creamed, we are going to go ahead and add in the melted butter. The melted butter, okay. And we're gonna mix that in for a few minutes. And I'll be back to put the rest in. So now, while it's mixing, we're gonna slow it down. And we're gonna add in the 3 cups of confectioner sugar. I personally use 3.5, so. But let's go, oh, that's a lot. Okay. But add it in slowly. Now that the icing's all mixed up, let me get some of the beaters. Okay. We're going to add in my favorite part, the cocoa butter, the cookie butter. So I'm gonna add it in, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix it up until it's all combined. So right after you finish the icing, you actually let it chill in the fridge for like a few minutes. So right after that, we are going to now ice the cupcakes. And then right after you ice the cupcakes, this is an optional decision. So you don't have to do this. But for me, I'm gonna put some candy hearts on top. Since it's Valentine's Day. And right after that, let's get stuck into this thing. Which this is good. Tastes like Valentine's Day in one cupcake. So before I sign off, please subscribe to this channel. Please follow me on Instagram, which is under Colin Harris 45. And please subscribe. So deuces.